how to see your Cash App PIN. Now, Cash App has a PIN which is usually used for transactions and confirmation, maybe whenever you're trying to send money or receive money. And can you view it? Well, unfortunately, no. It's just like asking, can you view your ATM card PIN to your bank? It's because it is done for security reasons. It is a secret code, and even you yourself won't be able to find it unless you remember it. But if you do not remember your Cash App PIN, do not worry, because you can still choose to reset your Cash App PIN. To reset your Cash App PIN, you first of all want to make sure to launch Cash App. Once you launch Cash App, you'll see Cash App profile right here, where you can simply tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side, there you'll find an option called privacy and security. Now all you have to do is go to privacy and security, where you'll find an option under security lock that says change cash PIN. Now if you remember your current PIN, that's perfectly fine, but if you don't, it will give you an option right there to basically change and reset your Cash App PIN using your phone number or your email address. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.